So in this video we're gonna be using the React Router Down to create a navigation page so we can have our home page, our login and our register in one single page. So this is a continuation of the API frontend project. That is also a continuation of the API backend project series, so you can check out both if you didn't check out this video of the React Router Down that is here in the API frontend project. So we're gonna be checking out a little bit of the JSX, some rules, and the React router. So we saw this in the previous example, how to import browser router routes and route from the React Router Down. So right now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open my terminal. I'm gonna type in ls and I'm gonna go into Express like this. Right now I'm gonna type in again ls, so I have a folder named API. So I'm gonna type in code space that so I can open it in Visual Studio Code. And from here I have this, I'm gonna open Control plus tilde so I can have my incorporated terminal. And from here I'm gonna type in npm run, and the script is gonna be, this is gonna be for the server, so you open it with Node, and examples is gonna be again for the servers, but you open it with Node. So I'm gonna choose from, this is gonna be from the front end, and this is gonna open it in localhost 3000. This is not the server, this is the React Redux. So let's see if this is working. So I'm gonna go into login, it's working, and now I'm gonna go into register. So let me see, so it's working too, so that's fine. And right now I'm gonna go into the front end folder, I'm gonna go into the source. So I have you have the app, the features and the menu folders. Inside of the menu we have the home page, login and register. So we also have the app.js. Okay, so that's fine. Inside of the source I'm gonna create a new folder named components, like this, components. And inside of this folder I'm gonna name a file navigation, like this, JSX, navigation JSX. And it has to be, the first letter has to be capital letters, so I'm gonna type in RFCE, that is the React functional export component. So we have this navigation here. And okay, so what else do we have here? Navigation. So yeah, that's fine. Let's put the whole thing inside fragments like that. So this one is gonna be here. I'm gonna just grab it and paste it here, and I'm just gonna change it to an h1 like this. And okay, so let's just keep it like that for a while. And this time we're gonna be checking out the pages components. So the layout component has outlet and has link elements. The outlet renders the current route selected. Link is used to set the URL and keep track of browsing history. Anytime we link to an internal path, we will use link instead of a href. The layout route is a shared component that inserts content on all pages, such as navigation menu. And yeah, they are importing the outlet and the link from the React Router Down, and this is the way they do it. As you can see, this link is with capital L. So we're gonna do something similar. We're gonna go here and we're gonna import, we're gonna open curly braces and we're gonna import link. Oh, okay, that's it automatically. So we are importing link from the React Router Down, so that's fine, that's cool. And let me see, what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna go into my app.js and I'm gonna import it. So I'm gonna import navigation. Okay, it does it automatically. It's gonna be from the components folder, and it's gonna be the navigation file. So it has to be here in it has to be navigation like this. It has to be outside of the routes. You cannot put it inside of the, you cannot put it, for example, inside of the route. It has to be outside of the routes. So we're gonna paste it here, and let's go to our website. Okay, as you can see, navigation and register. So it's working. So let's go back to this navigation.jsx, and again, some of the rules: return a single root element. To return multiple elements from a component, wrap them with a single parent tag. For example, you can use the div. Okay, I use an empty fragment. Also, you can see here, if you don't want to add an extra div to your markup, you can write angle brackets instead, or just the empty fragment, so you can read that. And for now, okay, they are inside of this single fragment. So for now, I'm gonna use list items, and right now I'm gonna use the link like that. And I'm gonna have here, I'm just gonna have, well, two, that is gonna be let's just put it like this. Okay, login, let me see, and let me see, and this one is gonna go into the, it's gonna go to like that, and it's gonna go slash login. So we're gonna grab this one and we're gonna go just below, and instead of login this time it's gonna be register, and it's gonna be slash register like that. So let's see how it's looking. If we go to our website, so we have navigation, login, sending me to the slash login, and register, sending me to localhost 3000 slash register. So it's working fine. And if we go, let's see, this is register, register login. If I go here, login, changing, or register. Now if I go, let's do something similar for the navigation. So let me see here, let's just type in link. Yeah, let's just type in link like this again, and let's just grab this one and paste it here, link, and this one is gonna go to, and it's gonna be just the root, the localhost 3000. So we have the navigation, okay, and it's sending us to the 3000. So yeah, this was a basic example how to do it, so you can, I don't know, use some CSS and make it more beautiful. But yeah, this is a basic way to do it. So the navigation that is inside of the link, if we click it, it's sending us to localhost 3000. If we click login, it's sending us to 3000 slash login, the register, also sending us to localhost 3000 slash register. So we finish our navigation page that is incorporating our home page that is in the menu, our home page, our login, and our register. So in the next video we're gonna be checking out, we're gonna be using React, we're gonna be using use state, use effects, so we can start dealing with users, with email, password